Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. This video has been delayed, maybe for one or two reasons. One, there's a load of arguments going on about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't want this video being uploaded during that time, because it wasn't really a good time to upload. And two, I've been needing a second one, and finally, I got a second Thailand Hank Halloween Murphy. Of course, I've already had a China one, so I could have done the review ages ago. But I need another one, and mine doesn't exactly roll that well. I've had this since release, I believe, or since the 2013 release. So yeah. Anyways, let's start off with the review of Hank Halloween Murphy. I do have two here in the background, in the package. Not the background, sorry. I was talking about the background because my next video is going to be on Punchy Wipeout. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. That video is probably going to be about 10 to 15 minutes long. So many members of the bumper save. Anyways, yeah, here's Hank Halloween. He was in case J and in case K. Now, I did order a case J, but there was only one in each. So I could only keep one. And now that I finally got my second one, I got one. Because in the UK, let's be honest, when will this guy get into the UK? Probably won't be for at least another 3 months, so it's probably safe to have it now, get the video done, and yeah, here is Hank Halloween Murphy. It has been so cool, and we didn't know this guy was coming until we saw on the poster of 2020. He was in the next case though, but the poster was revealed just before his package was released, so it was surprising. But everyone is happy because we haven't had Hank Halloween since 2013 or 14, I believe, and he is such a cool car. We've got a load of other cars to compare him with. So yeah, let's get into the review of Hank Halloween Murphy, finally. Anyways, here's Hank Halloween Murphy, or Hank Halloween, or Murphy, Hank Murphy, because Halloween is his nickname. I can see white, orange, and black. Halloween colours, October. Very nice. Maybe it only comes out in October. Maybe I shouldn't have done this review until now. I'm joking. There's his artwork. Very nice artwork. In the Radiator Springs series line. Blue Desert Cars logo. We got the Mattel logo there. Got a bunch of codes there. Here is the back. We got Greta, Sheriff, Fillmore, and Brand New Mater, which I do have them all open except for Fillmore for some reason. But I may be able to get one soon. Anyways, he is made in Thailand, and the actual bio there reads, and I can get it: the kind folks in Radiator Springs become Lightning McQueen's friends for life. I said best friends for life, which it should be true, because McQueen stays there. So yeah, without further ado, let's start off the unboxing of Hank. So I don't add music to my videos. It's pointless, to be honest with you. So yeah, there's Hank out of the package. We've got a load of mess here right now from my previous reviews. Yep, and I gotta say, just wow. I haven't actually looked at Hank in ages. But yeah, here's the front. Very nice. Got this nice grille at the front too. Nice headlights. 4 headlights it looks like. And here is a little logo here. I believe that's like the logo for the car, what it's supposed to be. And there's the bonnet too. You can see this is the bonnet, the end where the engine should go. Very nice. We've got these Thailand eyes. Here's the side. We've got a bit of the, I believe this is the engine coming out. So yeah, this would be the engine in the front. Very nice. We got the tails coming up here, or the fins, or whatever you call it. Very nice. Here's the other side. Windows. Doors. I really like Hank Halloween Murphy. It's just a cool car, and I can see why they call it Halloween. Like I said earlier, black and orange just goes well. And here is the back. Of course, the license plate is going to be blurry. So what I do have here is the China one. Even the China one, I don't think the camera's going to focus on it. It reads S962, which we will get into that in a little bit. Yeah, whilst we're here, now let's quickly, before we do that, actually check the base. Made in week 15. Let's check the one that I already had. So the one that I had here is actually made in week 19. So this is the one that I opened from case J. So this is the case J version, and this is case K. So a bit different, but yeah. So now let's compare. As you can see, I'm not sure if it's because of the fade in the camera, but the orange is a slight different. You might be able to see it on camera. So for those collectors who do want a Hank Halloween, go buy it because of the new variant colour, I believe. Well, it will be a variant because it's made in China and Thailand. Because look, this is the China one. And like I said earlier, my one doesn't roll as well, but this one now rolls way much better. We do have some other cars to compare Hank with. Here is Greta. I believe this is the China one. Yep. And her, well, Greta doesn't have a license plate. So, yep. We have Timothy Term Zone 2-stroke, which he does have a different license plate. Why does it want to focus on his license plate, where it doesn't want to focus on that license plate? I don't understand. But that's just my phone for you. Here is Derek. This is one that I... Yep. You know what? I'm not gonna... No. Yep, he just fell on the floor. I've done that on purpose. Derek, you have failed. 2769. Wasn't that the same one again? S2, no. So, Edwin Cranks, you are safe. This is the China one, by the way. Let's check up Mildred Bylane. I believe this is him. But, what is it with the problem with Mattel doing the same license plates for cars? Not going to throw them because, you know. Oh, that wasn't Mildred Bylane, by the way. That was Milton. This is Mildred Bylane. And again, no. Not even gonna talk. There's a few other cars I did bring out here. Now you're probably wondering, I've shown these the other day. You probably know. Here are the Sheila Wonder Run, the Storyteller Showgirls. I just want to compare the spoilers to him. That's all. Here is Wander's wings, I guess you could call it. Still confused on what people would call it. Yep. Here is one Sheila's. Again, probably more closer because they are pretty much the same colour. I have told you the story on why these are dented. I bought these from a collector before, and they were still something like £30 or £40, but someone like me is pretty good because the person dog chewed them, which is a bit of a sad story, which is why Laverne's spoiler is missing here, and the dog chewed them, and it's a bit sad, but I bought them because they were super cheap, and if you want to buy them brand new now, they're like £400 plus. Will I ever get them? Probably not, so that's why I bought them in that condition. They're probably still worth 40 quid each, maybe not Laverne. Yeah, that's a story for another day. And just a quick comparison, here is Flo. Don't know why my Flo has holes there. Maybe that's where the license plate is. But this is my best Thailand Flo from 2006. Anyways, we are coming to the end of the review now. I've got to get ready for a big review for Punchy Wipeout later. We got about... How many members of the Bumper Safe team do we have? Probably like 1,500. But yep, here is Hank Halloween Murphy again. We'll get the package back up and put it in the background here. So yeah, sorry about my last review on DJ, by the way. I had to cut that short for reasons, as there was a lot of noise in the background, and it really does annoy me because I can't really edit my videos that well, because the editing software that I've tried to use doesn't exactly work well on an Android phone. If it was an iPhone, I would have kept the video up longer. That's why there was no, if you're new, please make sure you like and etc. At the end, I just cut it short. Hope you guys understand that. My next review will be on Bumper Safe.
So yeah, that does now officially end the review of Hannah Henry Murphy. If you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below for new videos like this coming soon. Until the next one, bye guys.